When it comes to home security, peace of mind isn't just about having a camera, it's about having the right camera. After using the EZVIZ H9c dual-lens security camera with dual 3K sensors for a few weeks now, I can confidently say this camera doesn't just meet expectations, it redefines what you can expect from an outdoor security solution, especially considering its low price point. Let me walk you through my experience and why this camera has become an essential part of my home security setup. Unboxing this EZVIZ security camera is straightforward. Inside the box, you'll find everything you need to get started: the camera itself, a drill template and the screw kit for easy installation, a waterproof kit to ensure durability in outdoor settings, the power adapter, and some paperwork. In case you're interested in picking this camera up, you'll find all the links and show notes in the video description down below. The EZVIZ H9c is designed to be a comprehensive security solution packed with advanced features and built with durability in mind. Its standout feature is the dual 3K lenses, which deliver exceptional clarity and a level of coverage that eliminates the need for multiple cameras. The camera is built to last, with all components feeling sturdy and robust from the lenses to the mounting hardware. The H9c operates on corded electric power, meaning it must be plugged into a power source. Despite this, it offers flexibility with wireless connectivity via a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network or the option to connect directly to your router using a cable. This dual option ensures reliable performance regardless of your network setup. Setting up the H9c was straightforward. Once it's up and running, it's smooth sailing from there. The camera also has advanced sensors, a micro SD card slot for local storage, and well-sealed ports for weather resistance. Whether mounted on a wall, ceiling, or any outdoor surface, the H9c is built to handle tough conditions while maintaining top-tier performance. One of the most impressive features of the EZVIZ H9c is its dual 3K lenses, which set it apart from most other security cameras on the market, especially at its price point. Essentially, this isn't just one camera, it's like having two cameras in one sleek, high-performing device. The video quality is very good, delivering crisp and detailed footage. The wide-angle lens provides a 240 degrees horizontal rotation combined with a 15 degrees tilt, giving you an expansive view of your surroundings. Whether you're monitoring backyard, patio, or front porch, this lens offers clear, glare-free visibility in all lighting conditions. This is especially valuable for large areas where a single camera traditionally wouldn't suffice. Meanwhile, the telephoto lens takes the H9c to another level with its motorized pan and tilt function, providing a full 360 degrees field of view. It's perfect for zooming in on specific points of interest like your driveway, garden, and so on. With 3K resolution, the telephoto lens ensures you won't miss a single detail even during close-up views. What makes this camera remarkable is how the dual lenses can function independently, monitoring separate areas or work together to provide a complete layered view of your property. This versatility means you're not just getting coverage, you're getting detailed, professional-grade surveillance that adapts seamlessly to your needs. Considering its price, the video quality of the H9c is nothing short of impressive. It rivals cameras that cost significantly more, making it an excellent choice for anyone seeking high-definition clarity without breaking the bank. It's more than just a camera, it's a dynamic security system that blends wide-angle surveillance with precise close-ups, setting a new standard for versatility and value in home security. One of the most practical features of the EZVIZ H9c is its patrol mode, which offers incredible flexibility. You can either let the camera patrol automatically, scanning the area on its own, or set predefined points around your property for the camera to focus on. This feature is perfect for eliminating blind spots and ensures I'm always informed about what's happening, all in 3K resolution. In addition to this, the camera can perform a full circle spin for comprehensive coverage or zoom in with 4x optical and 8x digital zoom to capture precise details. Whether I'm reviewing footage or checking the live feeds, the level of detail is consistently impressive, making patrol mode one of the standout features of the H9c. The code detection technology has been a game changer for me. Even if the wide-angle and telephoto lenses are monitoring different areas, they collaborate seamlessly. For instance, if the wide-angle lens detects motion, I can tap on the viewing box and the telephoto lens will zoom in automatically. When the camera detects a person, the PT lens locks onto them and tracks their movements, ensuring nothing escapes my attention. It's like having a virtual security guard on duty. The EZVIZ H9c truly shines with its intelligent human and vehicle detection, and I focus primarily on testing its human detection capabilities during my experience. I have to say, it works beautifully. The camera consistently tracks my movements with precision, following me smoothly across its field of view. Whether I'm walking into the driveway or across the backyard, the camera locks on effortlessly and ensures every action is captured. Although the camera also offers vehicle detection, I didn't really test that feature in my setup as my focus was entirely on human tracking. From what I've experienced, it filters out distractions like insects or moving leaves, ensuring I'm only alerted to what truly matters. It's an incredibly reliable and effective feature, making the H9c perfect for anyone prioritizing human detection in their security system. Nighttime security is where the EZVIZ H9c truly shines, offering multiple night vision modes to suit your needs. The color night vision mode utilizes powerful spotlights that not only illuminate the area for crystal clear video, but also track your movements as you walk. It's an impressive feature. Not only does it enhance visibility, but it also acts as a deterrent for intruders who suddenly find themselves under the spotlight. For those who prefer a more traditional approach, the camera also offers a classic IR black and white night vision mode. Even in complete darkness, this mode delivers excellent quality, ensuring no detail is lost. Additionally, there is a smart night vision mode which combines the best of both worlds. By default, it uses the black and white night vision, but when motion is detected, the spotlights are activated, switching to color night vision for enhanced detail. Connectivity is just as impressive. The H9c integrates seamlessly with Alexa and Google Assistant, allowing for hands-free control of the live feed. The dual antennas provide up to 220 meters of Wi-Fi coverage, ensuring reliable performance even in larger properties. And for those who prefer a more stable connection, the camera can be plugged directly into your router via Ethernet. Whether it's day or night, the H9c ensures you're always connected and protected. The H9c offers multiple storage options. You can use a micro SD card of up to 512 GB for local storage or subscribe to EZVIZ Cloud Play for fully encrypted cloud storage. I've chosen local storage, but the cloud option provides extra flexibility. Knowing that EZVIZ complies with the latest security standards and uses local servers in Europe gives me confidence in their commitment to data protection. In my experience, the EZVIZ H9c dual-lens security camera isn't just a camera, it's a comprehensive security solution. From its 3K dual-lens clarity to its ability to perform smart tracking and patrols, every feature is designed to enhance security and provide peace of mind. Whether you're monitoring a large property, need reliable night vision, or want a camera that can intelligently adapt to situations, the H9c delivers. It's become an essential part of my home, and I'm confident it could do the same for yours. If you're looking for a high-performance outdoor security camera, the EZVIZ H9c is worth every penny. Tell me in the comment section down below, what do you think about this security camera? Would you buy this one or would you choose another option? Also, like the video if you liked it, please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and as always, it was Linus, thank you for watching and see you soon.